Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to you all. We are singing, we are dancing. Happy New Year to you all. Hello everyone, Happy New Year. I wish everyone, you and your family, your friends, in the new year, everything goes well, happy and healthy. Hello, say hi.
Wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May the year of the horse bring you success in everything you do and smooth progress in all things. Wishing you great luck in the year of the horse, a thriving career, and a happy life. May you take the lead, have a bright future, and enjoy abundant good fortune all year round.
Hello everyone.
Christmas and the New Year are just around the corner. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for your trust and support throughout this year. Hope 2026 bring us continued growth and more great projects.
Happy New Year to everyone here. I sincerely wish you happiness and health.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We thank you for working with us this year, and we really appreciate your trust and your support. Happy New Year is coming. Wish you have a great Christmas day and Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, I'm super glad to join the team and hope we can learn and grow together in 2026. Wish our companies all the best and Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you.